Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Forex.com. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in Forex.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Forex.com website. Now, if you already have an account, then hover over to the account section at the top and then click on the login button. You will then be asked to choose your appropriate platform. After choosing your platform, simply enter your credentials. Type in the username that you set up while creating your account, followed by your account password. Once you enter both of these details, click on I'm not a robot to verify your identity. Now, if you are using a private device, then you can also enable the Remember Me option. However, make sure to leave this as it is and not check on this box if you are logging in from a public device. Finally, click on the login button and you will now be logged into your account on Forex.com. And you can immediately start your trades. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Forex.com. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.